As you leave Tallahassee and head towards Hosford, Florida on Highway 20, you come across the Lake Talquin Dam, and it's only 40 feet deep, which is remarkable, but it comes down and flows into the OCHLOCKONEE River. And this is a man-made lake, so this was created for power. And from what I understand, they don't really use the lake for power anymore because of the cost of the regeneration and what it would cost to put the new electric motors in. But it's a great recreational use for a lot of people, including kayakers, fishermen, and hunters. Now, I actually talked to the guy who built this bridge, and he was really sad when he had to take down the old bridge, which was very historic looking. And this is just a plain concrete bridge. So you can see how big Lake Talquin is. It's 8,800 acres. When I was a kid, I remember when it drained, and we get to walk out there and see all the stumps, and we used to pick up all the fishing lures off the stumps that had got stuck out there. It was pretty neat. That was at Camp Wallwood, which is a Boy Scout camp on Lake Talquin. I'm going to leave you with this drone footage, but we're going to pan around here to the dam soon, and you're going to see the spillway. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment if you've been out on this lake before, and if you enjoy it. Have a great day, and thank you for watching again.
leave a comment. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe. And I'm about to do something in 3, 2, 1.